Hey guys, DJ360 Mix here. A repair video. Yes, there's a lot of people saying that when you move the platter around, it doesn't react, or you can't scratch with it. It just doesn't move. Basically, your waveform does this when you're scratching. You see how it goes? It goes really slow. A lot of people on the forum say shift and hold this down or back, or make sure it's not on slip mode, it's on vinyl mode. Well, guess what? That doesn't work. That works for some people that actually accidentally hit it, but the problem is something else. These are capacitive touch jog wheels, so it needs to have a ground plane, so when you touch it, it actually works. The problem is, if you notice, there's a little lip right here. You see that little lip? See if I can get a little closer. I'm going to spin this around, and you're going to see how it lifts up. You see how it lifts up there? Now watch this on this side. Same thing. Well, this one doesn't show because I just pushed it down, but it was around here and it keeps on lifting up. What happens is that there's no adhesive right there, and there's a little spring there that makes contact. There's a little spring there that makes contact with this plate, so it actually forms a capacitor, so it knows when you're touching, or some call it resistance, but it's not really resistance, it's capacitor touch, capacitive touch. So what happens is you need to put a little bit of glue right there, just a drop, tiny drop right there, and push this down and hold it down. Or if you don't want to put the glue there, remember it's only a tiny amount of glue. I don't want you to go in there and squeeze a whole tube of glue in there. But if you want to fix this permanently, what you need to do is take your board apart from on the bottom. There's a little C-clamp that holds this, and this is only on the SR2. Maybe your model's different, so please be careful. I know you're safe if you're an SR2. You can remove the C-clamp that's on the bottom of this. This will come off, and then you'll see that little spring. There's two little screws. Take the little screws off and open up that spring a little bit and let it touch that, and then put it back together. And obviously when you have it apart, just go ahead and glue that in, and that will fix your scratching problem. All right, guys, hope that helps. This is only on the SR2. Some other ones might work, but I figured that is the solve for this problem. Have fun, guys.